Hi everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at a Broan 27,000 series downdraft made by Broan. And what we're going to take a look at today is how to get at the motor or the gearbox motor and the micro switches if that particular component would have to be replaced. First thing you need to do is to make sure that the power is disconnected. Second, what we would do is we take off the two brackets. There's two nuts holding each bracket, and I'm going to go ahead and start taking those off. There's a plate that will come down. This is a blower cover plate. And it's a lot easier how I'm doing it, obviously, because it's sitting on a table and not mounted under a counter. So the two brackets are now off. What we're going to do next is we're going to take this cover off. This is the gearbox cover. There's two 1/4-inch screws on each side holding that cover on. And I'm going to go ahead and take those screws out. This blower box is already loose. If it were connected to ductwork, you would have to obviously make sure that the ductwork is disconnected to that unit. This is a new unit that I just grabbed out of stock here just for filming purposes. So this aluminum cover pulls off. Let's see if I can get it here so you can physically see it. So here's the gear motor. This is what makes this chimney go up and down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the white and black wire, and we'll remove this box cover, throw it on the side. Right now what I can do is actually remove this blower box. I have to be careful because again it's sitting on a table. This blower is plugged in, and I'm gonna spin this around here. I just unplugged it. It's this Molex plug. And here you have the blower assembly. Blower is held in by 3 nuts, the motor capacitor wires, and here is the plug. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the side for now. If we wanted to get on the inside of this, what we need to do is we need to remove this cover, and it'll be this screw, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. These are the two that are normally forgotten. So I'm going to go ahead and start to unscrew those. Cordless drill will go a lot faster. Just about got half of them done. Yeah, I'm going to go on the other side here, remove the last 3 I believe we have. All right, so we have those screws This cover will just come right off like so. And I'm going to spin this cover around so you can see what the backside looked like. And it looked like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that cover away. So now you have access to basically everything. The limit switches are right here inside this bracket. All you would have to do to get at the limit switches, there's 2 nuts on the right, 2 nuts on the left. This whole plate with the gear motor and everything will come down. I'm going to go ahead, since we got it this far, go ahead and get that removed here so you can take a look at it. And we'll go around the last 2. And one more. And be careful so it doesn't fall. All right. So what you do is just grab hold and you can pull down. In here, if you were to replace this gear motor, all you would need to do is take these 2 nuts off. That whole gear motor, you'd unscrew it from the bracket and replace it. Sometimes if you have a problem where the chimney is going up and you can hear it slip or the chimney goes down, sometimes these nuts can come loose. And there's a metal plate, and this is a flat shafted motor. What happens is it just spins inside there, or it can. Right here are the limit switches. This is what tells the chimney to stop. If those switches go bad, you just go ahead and take those 2 screws out from the back and replace those switches. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.